Hey everyone, Dream Tiny House Design viewers. I'm Maddie, and today, I'm bringing you on a tour of another beautiful tiny home. If you're looking for clever design ideas, stylish interiors, and inspiration for smart living, you're in the right place. This tiny house proves that limited space doesn't mean limited comfort. In a world that's moving fast, tiny living isn't just a trend, it's a smarter way of life. So sit back, relax, and get inspired. If this tiny home inspired you, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Could you imagine living in a space like this? For more beautiful tiny house tours, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload.